We are going to move into the TikTok verse. TikTok launches App Center to connect small businesses with helpful tools. So, an array of third party apps are highlighted that offer lightweight solutions and that could help smaller businesses boost their presence. So, looking to up your TikTok game is what they said. This will help. This week, TikTok has launched a new app, Center for Business Users, which features a collection of TikTok tools built by third party developers that can help small brands specifically maximize their performance in the app. So here they are here, Spotlight Apps that you could go in. As you can see in this example, TikTok's App Center features a range of tools that are endorsed by TikTok for helping various TikTok marketing elements. So now the TikTok App Center is built to help businesses, this is as per TikTok, of all sizes, find success on TikTok, making it easier than ever for advertisers to navigate their entire journey from ideation to publishing to reporting. The App Centers include listings of apps in different functional categories so you can easily find a tool to fit your needs. So I'm not sure if you could see it here, but you can see Shopify, OpenCart, BigCommerce, WooCommerce. So TikTok says these apps have been chosen because they offer lightweight solutions as opposed to more comprehensive SaaS tools that are better suited to bigger brands. So these apps act as an extended arm of TikTok for business, leveraging TikTok's suite of API solutions to ensure that activities or updates on the app are automatically reflected in TikTok's ecosystem. TikTok's App Center offers a diverse array of apps tailored to meet various advertising needs, providing solutions across multiple categories. They also note that most of the apps listed offer free trials, so you could try them out before signing up to a business program. So this could help a bunch of small businesses. Go check that out. It's now available. TikTok launches the App Center to connect small businesses with helpful tools. Every tool really helps, especially in the digital marketing world, and the fact that, we're all online now. So all these tools help. All right, the next one is TikTok publishes marketing guide for small businesses. So what's the punchline here? They are helping small to medium businesses. All right. With holiday planning now in full swing, TikTok has published a new marketing playbook for SMBs, which could help you maximize your TikTok efforts. The 19-page playbook covers all aspects of TikTok marketing with a range of notes and suggestions to help guide your approach. The full guide is available here. So, first of all, the guide provides an overview of TikTok's popularity and relevance for marketers with a range of usage stats. So, you get to see exactly what you're getting with TikTok. TikTok is powered by users with a unique mindset. Engagement is TikTok's superpower. 82% of users have discovered a small or medium business on this platform. That's amazing. TikTok ads turn discovery into sales. 52% of users have gone on to purchase from their newly discovered small or medium business. And so that's some really good data there. Then the guy then looks at the various TikTok ad tools available and how you can use each to your advantage. Plug in, heat up, style, and set. So custom audiences, you get to see how you could do that in TikTok. Custom audiences is an ad targeting option that lets you find users who have already engaged with your business. Upload your client profiles or use your audience from TikTok ads to start speaking with your ideal customers. In other words, TikTok also included a range of creative tips for your videos, clean up with the catalog carousel, so the hook, the meat, the closer. So really great information here. The hook says create informative and educational content that inspires, engages, solves your audience's problems. The meat, build trust by showcasing your USPs clearly, highlight product benefits, and give your brand personality center stage. The closer, encourage users to take their next steps with a decisive call to action, recapping your main take-home message. Why did I really go through this? I think this just does not apply to TikTok. This applies to all channels when you think about it. So that's really great information. That's why I like these marketing playbooks because, cross marketing playbook is what I want to call it. You could get what you get from Facebook that tells you their marketing playbook and transplant that to TikTok and all these other channels. All right, as well as ideas and inspiration to help get you thinking. So speak their language, experiment with TikTok native narratives that make your brand and products shine. So list all these things here. There's also an example overview of how to map out your TikTok content. So win CPG on TikTok. CPG brands are always relevant on TikTok. Build a media plan that supports your business goals all year round. So you get to see that. So again, TikTok is looking to help small to medium businesses. They're really thriving on that channel. If you're a small to medium business and you're not on TikTok, something to think about, because you could get really great closes and really great sales from there. Looking at these numbers, you could grow your awareness there and connect with a whole new audience. All right, next, TikTok announces inaugural Visionary Voices Africa group. Creators from the region will be promoted on the platform over the next few weeks, along with African music and other creative trends, as part of its continued effort to highlight emerging creators from different communities in the app. TikTok has announced its inaugural Visionary Voices Africa list with 15 top African region creators selected. So they're going to be showcasing them in the next couple weeks. Go check them out. A lot of good artists here. I was looking at it. They have all their information here. And shout out, I have a total African background myself. So this is really cool. I like that. So you get to see these artists. This is one of them, Remy Day. And I looked at the content that she's got. Really good content. Elsa, she's really got good content too. All these guys, Burna Boy's there. So some great information that you might get from these guys when it comes to Africa. So go check that out. So that's for TikTok. Wrapping it up for TikTok.